Hi, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you and your family is doing great. Today, after a lot of requests, I'm going to share you the case study of a birth chart where you will get to know how to check from your birth chart and your partner's birth chart. Do you have a karmic bond between the two? So it can be a positive karmic bond, it can be a negative karmic bond, or we can say when you met this person, then you feel like emotionally connected, or you trust this person very easily and you feel like similarity between the two without trying. So here I have taken the two charts. So one, the chart is of the girl and second chart is of the boy. And now I will be going to help you out to check, do they have a karmic bond between the two? How you are going to check this. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So let us start with a boy birth chart first. So this is a birth chart of the boy. The first planet that tell about the karmic bond and the natural connection with your partner is the Jupiter planet. So for the boy, Jupiter planet is sitting in the sixth house. So first we need to check the three aspects of the Jupiter. So the first three aspects of the Jupiter are Jupiter aspect the fifth house, seventh house, and the ninth house. So first we need to put Jupiter in the fifth house like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Jupiter is aspecting here. Jupiter aspect on the seventh house 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now the Jupiter is aspecting here. And the next is Jupiter aspect on the ninth house 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now first we have to check the Jupiter aspect. So the Jupiter is aspecting here three houses. So which all zodiac sign the Jupiter is aspecting in the boy birth chart? So first the Jupiter is aspecting the 3 number, that is Gemini. Second, the Jupiter is aspecting Leo, and the third the Jupiter is aspecting the Libra. So this all the Jupiter is aspecting. Now come back to the girl birth chart. So the logic is wherever the Jupiter is aspecting, like Jupiter for this case is aspecting the Gemini, Leo, and uh, Gemini, Leo, and Libra. So, do the girl have a moon sign, sun sign, or ascendant connected to any of these three signs? So, let's check. So, the Lagna, the ascendant of the girl is number 2 mentioned here, that is Taurus, which is not matching. Jupiter, the boy Jupiter is not aspecting Taurus anywhere. Second, we need to check the sun sign. Sun sign is Aquarius. Anyways, the Jupiter is not aspecting the boy. Jupiter is not aspecting Aquarius too. The third is a girl moon sign. The girl moon sign is the Leo. So now it is connected. So the girl moon sign is Leo and the boy Jupiter is aspecting on the Leo in the Lagna chart of the boy. That means that this boy has the emotional connection with this girl from the past life, and this relationship is on the basis of comfort, trust, and when the first time they've met, then this will be a very familiar without trust, means they become very familiar with each other without trying. And this shows that the boy has a strong emotional connection with the girl. So this way you need to check that first you need to check your Jupiter aspect, and then you have to check is that matching to your birth chart. This will show the soul connection or the past life connection or the karmic bond between you and your partner. So check your partner birth chart and your birth chart and see that if do you have a karmic bond with your partner, and if yes, then share the same with me on the comment. Share this video with your loved one. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.